a beautiful day. Welcome back to San-Ryu, your school. We're at the park. Again, it's a chilly day. But, and I've said this so many times, in the real world, sorry, my nose is running. In the real world, it's not going to be a beautiful spring day. It's going to be a cold day. It could be a rainy day. Somebody's stalking you. Somebody comes up on you. Give me your money. What's the first thing you do? Boone's got a knife up on me here. And he goes, give me your money. Oh, you got it. I've said this a million times. Keep a few bucks in your pocket. Here's the money. The important thing is this blade. I don't want this on me. I got to get this away from me. Now, on this side here, he's holding my hand. I'm not going to fight him. What we're going to do, let's get a little closer over here. You see my hand is in this position. All I'm going to do is shield. Use the shield. I'm going to turn my hand this way and out. See how the thumb releases? The thumb is the weakest part of the hand. All I'm doing is turning away. Boone, hold on to me really snug and tight. He's holding me tight. My body movement is helping. I'm not struggling with him. I'm just turning, and it comes right out. So when he's here and this blade is on me, I'm going that direction. I don't want to go across me because he can literally drag the blade right up across me. My hand is here. I turn into the shield. My hand turns down. My hand turns down. Turns down. Gets it away from me. I come back this angle. I want to be on his outside. I can strike him. I can strike him. When I bring him out, the important thing is I want to get that leg. So if his leg, whoever's legs, or if it's a single leg or a double leg, takedown. I'm going to kick the back of his leg out. He's going in this direction. He's going to fall backwards. Good. Thank you. So, the attack, I'm not using strength. I can easily rake his eyes, etc. And I'll do it in this situation. I'm here and here. He's got the blade up on me. This hand, I'm doing the same exact thing. My hand is up. As this is coming down, turns out. I come up and I can rake his eyes. He's got a throat. The important thing is the blade is facing away from me. I spin through, and we'll turn the body now. When I spin through, I have his arm coming down on his arm. Whether it's, and I don't like using a back fist. I like that hammer fist. Hammer fist, a chop, a punch, take his leg, kick it out. We'll do it one more time from this side. Here, he's got the blade up on me. Turn the shield. Strike him, back to the floor. Come back up around, he's bent through. Hit him. The important thing is the leg. Now, if I step behind him or in front of him, if I step in front of his foot, his head, his body is going to go straight down. We'll do that side one more time in that same direction. Here, shield, come around. Get down on the arm, punch him. I'm going to step in front of him, my hand behind his head. Kick this leg forward. Just swing down. I'm not going to kick him hard. But when I kick this leg forward, he goes straight down. Thank you, bro, so much. Appreciate it. We've said this a million times. It's a blade. I've said it in the other videos, 2 or 3 back. I got hit up by a couple of people. I still get hit up. It's a blade. You're going to get cut. You're going to get these people killed. You have to do something. First, give them the money. Hopefully that will satisfy the situation. Here, take the money. Your life is worth more than a few dollars. Or any amount for that matter. It doesn't matter if it's $1 or $1 million. It doesn't matter. Your life is more precious. Life is precious. Your life is precious. You want to get home to your family. That's what we're here about. Getting you home. Number one, give him the money. Give him your watch. Whatever he wants. So what? It could be replaced. Your life can't. The blade's there. You got to do something. Move up out of the way. When you can tell Somebody says, well, how can you tell if this guy's really going to hurt you? Or this individual is really going to hurt you? You gave him what he wanted, or what she wanted, and they're still pressing that blade up on you, and they got that crazy look in their eyes. You have to do something. It's a blade. Yes, this is a practice blade, obviously. Can you still get cut? Yes. I'd rather get a little nick or a cut on my arm than have this thing pushed through me. Do something. Move out of the way, gracefully. Breathing, hearing, seeing. Interrupt those senses. Please, take these techniques. I've got hit up so many, this past week, I can't tell you how many people hit me up about more knife techniques. People are afraid. I know my students out there, some of you are afraid, and I understand. The world's going through a crazy period. A lot of people are depressed. A lot of people are not working. The holidays are coming real soon. The holiday season when I was a kid, it was joyful. These days, the holidays aren't what they used to be. Families, etc. People are stressed out. They can't buy enough presents for their kids or loved ones. Even down to just eating, having food, a roof over our heads. Please, like I said, take these techniques, practice them. Got any questions? Please hit me up. Like I said, this week was just like knife technique, knife technique, knife technique. I said, you got it. I send them all messages back. You're all basically saying the same thing to me. Whether it's a thrust coming up at me or that blade is up on me, what do I do? Sensei, please help us. I believe in you because you believe in me. And every day, I want you to believe in yourself just a little bit more. I know it's tough. I know it's hard out there these days. Have a little faith. Have that little faith in yourself a little bit more each and every day. You'd be surprised you can create magic. Please, like, share, subscribe. Just get the word out. We're not here to become YouTube superstars. The channel is growing because of you, my students out there. I love you one and all. I don't usually drag Boone in on the YouTube when we do it. We go over to Instagram and we put our little thing up and go check us out. But Boone's doing really well. I'm very proud of him. He's training very hard. So, thank you, Boone, for a great class. We will see you all real soon in class. Hush!